you gonna go skiing?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yes.
Man, this is exciting. Okay, go get Dad.
Come on!
Yeah!
Come on, buddy.
How was it, Archie?
Yes. Was it fun? Woohoo!
Brother Mike, out for a rip. Yeah, man, that went from face plant to turtle back. That was good. That was really good. Yeah.
Watch out for the rope, Uncle Mike.
Nice job.
Almost not. That orange, man.
So we are currently boarding at Green Bay. Gonna go down to Chicago, meet up with cousin Cody. Here we go, Cody.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's a pleasure to welcome you to Chicago, where the local time is 7.
What's up?
Good morning.
Morning. Going to Italy.
Sweet. Well, we have made it to Italy, and we're currently going up Capri Island. We're gonna summit on this awesome chairlift, and yeah. Cody! Got cobras up there, and yeah, we're gonna have an awesome day here.
He will come and he will go, and he will always mix the flour in the pan. If you marry the baker boy, he'll have the cannoli in his hand. Oh, mama! La, 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 la.
In the bus, you don't go without shirt.
It's the musician and he's got the instrument. Thank you. And he will always be playing in the band. If you married a musician, he'll have the trumpet in his hand.
What's up, boys? Come on.
Yeah, I think that'll work.
Let's get some noggins out there.
missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once you've gone, it was never an honest word. That was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind, blew down the doors to let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver blade, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Evil mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world. Mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name, never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world.
Okay, what's up next, boys?
Going to Croatia.
On a whim.
Decided 2 days ago.
So we have made it to Croatia. See what this place is all about.
This is summer Croatia, living the dream with a bottle of Coca-Cola, moving the party to the island of This is summer in Croatia. Germany, goodbye. Germany, goodbye.
It's filming.
Oh. Yeah. Well, how long have you been filming?
8 seconds.
Oh. We've been talking about water skiing along this.
Tell them what we're up to
Give them a
today.
pano of what we can water ski on.
No, tell them what we're up to today first.
Taking a hike and somewhere in the middle of Croatia.
Pretty much. We're seeing some national parks here in Croatia.
Eating some kebabs that we found. The kebab house down the street from our apartment, I guess. I don't know what to call it. It wasn't an Airbnb.
We sang at the top of our lungs.
before I say anything about the park itself, I have to make one thing very clear. Essentially, right now we are in the middle of the park. And then essentially when we leave these trains, essentially we will start with our tour around the upper lakes. So essentially here is the deal. We have route A, route B, route C, route D. Essentially we're following the route H all day long. So essentially when we start walking around the 12 lakes, and then for those who want to go faster, you're free to do so essentially if you want to go past me. But essentially you follow the H route the entire time. So you cross the entire Kozjak Lake and you will end up essentially, there's going to be restaurants. Now essentially when I arrive here, and essentially here is a very important detail, then we want to essentially assemble at entrance 1. Now to essentially help you visualize all this, that's why I use the WhatsApp group, and you have a reminder, so essentially you're pretty much following the H route all day long until you want to head towards the exit when you're finished. This is important for the yellow group because they are essentially just going past us all the time. Now, essentially Plitvice Lake is actually our oldest national park as well. Sequence essentially that actually feeds the big waterfall with water. Now essentially, all of this used to be frozen. And when the ice melted, essentially the dolomite rocks started to erode really fast. And essentially what happened is we ended up having these tufa barriers.
Cody, tell the camera what's good. Oh, what's going on? We're here for a little evening swim. We're not missing a day in salt water.
No, we got storm rolling in. But that doesn't cut away from our time in the ocean. There's no locals at the entire beach. But I'd say we're pretty local, so that makes 3 of us.
Yeah.
All right, Cody.
This is summer in Croatia, living the dream with a bottle of Coca-Cola, moving the party to the island of Beach High. This is summer in Croatia, Germany goodbye.
So we're about to go wheels up here from Croatia. We're gonna fly over to Barcelona. How we doing, lads?
Ready to pass out?
Yeah, taking a little red-eye flight over to Barcelona. Gonna have maybe, I don't know, 10 hours there, and then we'll be back to the States. But country free, so here we go.
On nights like these, when my willpower's weak, I gotta call, so just let it be. I drive these streets, don't come looking for me. If you're letting go,
How we doing, gents?
I'm so ready for bed. It's not you, it's the system.
And we are back.
And we are back.
Cody's got a fabulous robe he's gonna wear tomorrow morning. We had a long day today. Lots of fun.
Yeah. The capacity is 3 persons. Where's the other 2 robes?
Yeah, what the hey?
I want to wear a robe.
Anyhow, little hotel problems here at 3 a.m. But we'll get sorted out. Beautiful view of somewhere in Barcelona.
I don't know where we are, but it will be okay.
Where are we at, lads?
Oh, we're in Barcelona.
Yeah. Sí, Barcelona. Todas bien. So we got to the hotel at like 3 last night. Had some complications with the employees, we'll say that much. But regardless, we got to explore Barcelona a little bit. 3 pastries deep, and got to see the beautiful Basilica. Saying it right?
Basilica?
Basilica, not Priscilla.
It's the Brasilia.
It's the Brasilia in Barcelona. Okay. Alright.
I am a man on the run, looking for somewhere I belong. Mile by mile, misunderstood. I'm not running away, I'm just trying to get home. I am a man.